Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Sai Dental Vlogs. So today's topic will be something very interesting and I'm going to talk about it, and many people are suffering from this problem, I guess, mostly in the old elderly age, and young people too are suffering from this problem. So often you have noticed or you have got some patient in your lifetime, or you yourself are a patient if you're watching this video, so that often you get clicking sound in front of the ear. Right, so we have the temporomandibular joint, which is a hinge joint and a ball and socket variety of joint, which produces this sound. It's not your ear that is producing the sound, right? So let's be clear with this. So this temporomandibular joint is present on both the sides, so it's helping in moving your jaw right and left and up and down. So there are a lot of muscular movements which are happening around here, right? So there's a masseter muscle which helps in chewing. So this helps to move the mandible, depress the mandible, and other muscles which are present are the lateral pterygoid and the medial pterygoid, which helps in other movements like closing of the jaw, protrusive movements of the jaw like doing like this, and like side to side movements of the jaw. So these all are coordinated in a very well manner, and the entire apparatus of the temporomandibular joint consists of a glenoid fossa, and below that there is the TM joint. And I have with me one jaw that I will show you here. So I have one jaw with me. So this is the TM joint, and we call it as a condyle. So this is not the actual TM joint. With this we have the articular disc. It's like a disc like thing which is present above this, and above there is a bone of the temporal bone, glenoid fossa. Right, so whenever we are opening your mouth, right, whenever you are opening the mouth, when we open it little bit, that is pure rotational movement, means we are opening in a circular motion, and when you open it wide, the mandible moves in a translatory movement, means it's a combination of various kind of circular and straight movements, basically a simple in simple language, right? So above the joint there is a disc like thing, so it always slides down and up when it's open. When you open your mouth, right, the disc is there, it goes in the front direction, and when you close your mouth, the disc comes back to the normal position. So this is taking place with the help of various tendons, various muscles, right? So whenever there is a disruption in your muscle, wherever there is a problem, disbalance in your teeth, this problem happens, this clicking sound. So this is basically a warning sign that something is wrong with your teeth. So what may be wrong with your teeth? So whenever you are chewing food, right, and you are having a carious tooth or painful tooth on one side, so what we usually do is we start chewing from the other side of the mouth, and we keep it doing without showing to the dentist. We keep it doing on either side of the one side of the mouth. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. Can you walk on one foot? No, it's not possible. You need to have both your legs, right? Even if you close your eyes, the right leg moves and the left leg moves. So this is the way you're walking. This is kinesthetic movement. This is proprioception. Similarly, this condyle is also having proprioception. Suppose you're breaking a walnut, right? So the outer shell is very hard. So initially with your teeth, when you're breaking it, the force is produced from the TMJ. And when the force is produced, the muscles are contracting very hard to break the nut. But as soon as it breaks, you have to stop, right? You cannot continue with the same pressure altogether. So in similarly way, the God has given us a very good joint, which is a hinge joint, and we need to preserve it well, right, in order to prevent all these problems. So whenever we are chewing food from only one side, and if we are having caries on the other, so we are chewing only on the one side, and the one side muscles becomes more stronger than the other one. The other one muscle atrophies or decreases in strength. So this way there is in coordination, there is some internal derangement of the disc which is covering the condyle. So disc matlab this condyle, and above that there is a disc. So there is some disruption in one side, and at that time whenever this disc is moving up and down, and it's not coming to its position smoothly, it comes with a snap. So that produces a click sound in the TM joint, and that is a warning basically that there is something going on in your muscles, something coordination, some disruption, something which is there. Even osteoarthritis patients will get these kind of clicking sounds. So whenever you got hit by someone or somebody punches you on the face, if you do some problem, then also this you can have this kind of problem, or you may be having some road traffic accident. So this will all cause these kind of problems. So basically, when we are chewing from one side, the other side goes absolutely very tight. The other side becomes from where you are not chewing becomes atrophied. So this is one thing. Another thing, that after removal of the tooth, patient don't replace the teeth. So that is a very big disadvantage in case of TM joint problems, because whenever you remove the tooth, what happens is you start again chewing from one side and the other side remains empty. So the other side teeth you are not using, the other side muscles you are not using, so there is a disruption of the TM joint. So this clicking sound may lead to many problems. Even it has, in some studies, it has also been reported like TM joint problems may cause leg pain and backache too. So when the TM joint clicking is there, initially the disc will snap to its normal position, but within time the internal derangement will increase, the joint derangement will increase, and the disc which is above the joint will become very loose and very relaxed. So whenever at that time, whenever you open your mouth, so you won't be able to close it, and you have to give a small jerk with your hand and it just snaps it space like this. So you only can do it on your own, but that is some severe and there won't be any clicking then. So that is internal derangement without reduction. Initially the joint was getting reduced to its normal position, but now it's not getting reduced because of the laxity. It has become more elastic, and slowly whenever you will open your mouth, your jaw will just get stuck like this and you won't be able to close it. So this is the problem. Whenever you're getting a TM joint click, just show to the nearby dentist or nearby specialist who can treat this problem, and who can treat the underlying problem. We have to treat the underlying hidden problem like the musculature, the strengthening of the muscles, and there are various therapies available like the TENS therapy, transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation therapy, which you can give the joint. You can give ultrasound therapy on the both the TM joints and the surrounding musculature. So that will relax the muscles, and there are few things which you need to do. You should not open your mouth wide. You should not try to chew on some hard food, and chewing gum also you should stop. And these are the things which you need to do to relax your TM joint, and you need to talk less over the phone. And it's occupational also. People who are playing all the trumpet and all the saxophone and all, and people who are teachers are shouting more. So these kind of people will get these kind of temperamental joint problems. So one more underlying cause is that if you have any kind of subconscious tension in your mind, or some kind of problem in your family, or some problem you're undergoing, so at that time, that subconsciously you will be clenching your teeth all the time, and you will be having some joint problems too at that time. So be relaxed, and so this is the thing I wanted to tell you today. And if you like my video, please give a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do follow me in Sai Dental Vlogs. Till then, have a very good day.